caught him. 2026 thieves are getting smarter, but my doorbell is smarter. Watch this. 11:42 p.m. This guy thinks he's invisible because he's wearing an anti-AI camo suit. My 4K night vision picked up his heat signature before he even touched the porch. He's going for the unhackable smart lock. Little does he know, the active deterrence mode just locked him in the porch zone. Look at his face when the 2000 lumen strobe hits him. He tried to run, but the AI tracking drone already tagged his jacket with GPS spray. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Would you trust your home to AI security? Let me know in the comments. Like for part 2 where the police arrive.